Connecting an electric cell and a bulb. An electric cell is the source of electrical energy for the bulb to glow. Let us know how the bulb in a torch glows. Take a 1.5 volt torch bulb. The bulb consists of a small globe of thin glass. Inside the globe is a coiled filament fixed on two thick wires. Take two pieces of half-meter long insulated wires. Remove the plastic covering at the ends of each piece of wire. Fix bulb in a bulb holder. Two screws of the bulb holder act as two terminals of the bulb. Connect the wires to the terminals of the bulb. Now connect the free end of one wire to the positive terminal of the cell. Connect the free end of the other wire to the negative terminal of the cell. Now the electric circuit is complete and the bulb lights up. Electric cell. An electric cell is a device in which electrical energy is derived from chemical reactions. A cell has two terminals marked positive and negative. An electric cell is capable of changing chemical energy into electricity. When an electric bulb is connected across the terminals of a cell, an electric current starts flowing through the circuit from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the cell. When the chemicals in the cell are used up, the cell stops producing electricity. Conductors and insulators. Materials that allow electric current to pass through them are called conductors of electricity. For example, iron, copper, brass, aluminium, silver, gold, graphite, etc. are the conductors of electricity. Materials through which electric current doesn't flow are called insulators. Insulators are also called as non-conductors of electricity. For example, paper, wood, plastic, cloth, rubber, bakelite, PVC are insulators. Pencil lead is formed from graphite. It is a form of carbon and non-metal, but it is a conductor of electricity. It can be tested that whether a given material is a conductor of electricity or not. Take a torch bulb and a cell. Connect them as shown. You have two free ends of the two wires. Insert the given material between the free ends of the wires. If the bulb glows, the material is electrically conducting. Otherwise, it is an insulator. Application of conductors insulators. Let us study about application of conductors and insulators. There are many uses of conductors and insulators. For example, copper is the most common metal used to make wires. In this module, we will study about conductors and insulators in detail. Conductors are used to make electric wires, switches, plugs, and sockets. Armature of motors and generators are made of conducting wires. Aluminium or copper wire are used in making chokes, transformers, etc. Insulators are used to protect us from the dangerous effects of electricity flowing through conductors. Rubber, PVC, and plastics are used to cover electric wires, plug tops, and switches. Insulators are also used to cover those parts of electrical appliances which people might touch.